2022 Ford F450 Altec AT200A bucket truck. Clean Carfax, excellent service history. Bridgestone tires all the way around. This truck's fully serviced and inspected. All keys, PTO, inverter, able equipment, aluminum ladder rack, brand new batteries all the way around, non-smoker, rust-free truck. Top, front, and back strobe lights, backup camera, power windows, locks, cruise control. Extremely nice Altec truck, fully serviced, fully functional, 100% ready to go to work. Tow package. .145-inch wheelbase, 16,500 pound GVWR. Tons of pictures. This video on the web, michaelsmotorco.com. Carfax link is on there. If you have any questions, shoot us an email or give us a call, 615-742-1114. That AT200A runs a 35-foot reach, a little over 22-foot side reach. Awesome system, very clean, rust-free truck. Michael's Motor Company, Nashville, Tennessee.